This video answers the search how to buy shares of Fountaine Pajot SA with a practical walkthrough. Fountaine Pajot SA builds leisure catamarans and sailing yachts and trades on Euronext under ticker ALFPC.PA. This is educational content only, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. Here I use eToro as an example. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ALFPC.PA to find the correct listing. Confirm you select the Euronext entry for Fountaine Pajot SA to avoid similar names or listings. On the asset page, check basic company information, the price chart, and trading details to ensure this is the right stock. Verify the listing name, market, and ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, select the amount you want to allocate, then review order details and choose order type. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. Once the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this demo.